Hey, welcome back to the Idea Garage. Today, we are going to upgrade the storage and organization in the router table. Many of you seen the router table build. We're going to do some organization and storage today. One thing I'll point out is I 3D printed a thing to hold the wiring up here. But as you see, storage is nice and taken care of. In this video, I designed 3D print these router bit holders, these insert rings for my router plate, plus the holder, mounts for my winder, and wrench. Also, I create this holder here for my door hinge and mortise jig. So stick around. If you can dream it, you can build it. Old wood whisper, telling tales of its past. What I have here is my router table that I built with the storage drawer that I designed. I mentioned in my router table build video that I was going to come back and put some storage solutions in. So today we're going to do some of that. I have designed and 3D printed these little plates here, and they're essentially designed to hold 12 router bits, about the half-inch bit, and they hold the bits at about 45 degrees. They can hold, 12 per each one. So I've gone and I've put one in already, and I'm going to go ahead and put the other two in and get my bits installed, and then I'm going to start trying to figure out some other storage solutions for the reel that I use to raise and lower my bit when it's in the table. I also have these bits here for my raised panel set that I'm definitely going to have to figure out something for. These won't fit in this just because of the size of it. I may just continue to use this and just screw it down to hold it sturdy. But we'll set this, go through this and get it taken care of. So this is actually two different versions. The first version here, the screw holes weren't quite wide enough to get the head of the number 8 screw through. So after not seating all the way down to the base on that one, I adjusted the holes to be slightly larger to allow a little bit more room. Now, don't ask me what kind of bits these are. I've had these for probably 20 years. I haven't used half of them, but got them as a set many years ago, and they seem to work well. I did have instance where one of the bearings came off of one of these, but I had a replacement to go in there. Just need to make sure you check those before you start cutting, because if you're relying on that bearing to keep you from cutting into something, it can definitely cause issues. So I'll actually link the location of the file for this. I don't think I've uploaded it yet, but before this video goes live, I will upload this so that you can download this and print one for your shop if you need. And here's that bearing thing I was telling you about, that guy. He's lost his little retaining screw, so I have to find one of those. There. Now I've got these inserts for the router table as well. I'm wondering if I can buy some more of these because I've got three. I've got this one here, which is fairly small, and I've got this guy. It's for a guide bushing. I think I've cut into it a little bit with a few router bits. I may need another one of those. And then I got a really wide one that fits a bit like this or something like that. So I'm wondering if I can find more of these to put in, but I'm thinking I might have to design something that I can stack these kind of vertically right here to slot them in. That way, easy to find them and pull them out when I need them. So let me figure out how to do that, and I'll get some video of that going here in a second. Okay, I was sitting here trying to figure out storage for these little router plate insert rings that go into the router table here. This is the Kreg tool router plate, and so it has these things here. I would like to get some storage for these, but I think I'm missing some pieces. You know, I got some damaged stuff here. I'm not even sure what happened here. Looks like I drilled into it at some point. This is the guide bushing set that looks like the rings here is damaged. And I went online to see what out there was available to replace these with. And I saw there's some sets, and I'm like, and I noticed that there was a few sets on Etsy where people are selling 3D printed versions. And I'm like, wait a minute, I've got a 3D printer. So I think I'm going to design a few of these and get them in place. I will take these inside and I'll show you on the computer. I'm going to get some measurements first and then go inside and we'll do some drawing on Fusion and get some stuff printed out. And what I'm going to do is measure kind of some of my bits and the sizes they are. That way I have a good variance of rings that doesn't expose too much and allows my dust collection to work. So I'll just take a few of these and go from there. Okay, I got some average sizes. So it looks like 7.5, 14, 17, and 21 should work for us. I got a shop cat with me today. She begged to be let in, and now she's meowing because she's in unfamiliar territory. Let's see if we can find her. Come here, Ozzy. Are you back here? Oh, I see you. What you doing, girl? I think she knows there's food in this shelter. Ozzy. Hey, baby. All right, let's go inside and do some cat.
Coffee gone cold, clock says 8:30. You're strolling slow, like the world can wait. I've been here since dawn, mud on these worn out boots. You're scrolling that phone while I'm pulling up roots. Do what you're paid to do, that's all I'm asking you. Hey! I ain't your mama, I ain't your priest. Just pull your weight like the rest of the crew. Do what you're paid to do. Is that really so hard to do? I'm sick of carrying two men's load while you lean back counting the minutes through. You punch that card, then you disappear. Smoke out back, same joke, same beer.
3D print just finished. Let's see how it came out. Let's test these first. These are inserts. So that guy goes there. Perfect. Got that guy, got that guy. This right here is a case that I designed. I don't even know if that fits either, so we'll give that a shot. Alrighty. Here we go. This guy should be able to fit right there. A little loose, not too bad. It's got little holes right here. You can screw it in, this won't get in the way. Alright, it's actually pretty exciting. So, okay, so here's where we're sitting currently. I've got my bit storage here and here. I've got my insert rings here. What I really want to do is I want to get my wrench that's going to be able to take the pieces off or the bits out of my router. And then I also want to mount my little wand here that raises and lower the bit. So I was thinking, you know, I could attach this guy right here. Probably need to come up with something to latch that in and keep it sturdy for when this thing's moving back and forth. But what I think I'm going to do with this is I'm going to drill a hole in this board here to basically allow it to hang down into the space. But I'm not really sure. This edge right here comes against the face of the cabinet. This up here is too high to put anything, so everything's got to be contained in this space here. So I could possibly do something. So got finished with the 3D print, and I came up with this here. This piece right here, it's got these little things, and this is printed this piece here, which I've designed to hold this up here like this. So it seems to be holding it pretty good. So we'll get these installed and okay, that wraps up the router table organization video. If you want to download any of these files, I will leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you sticking to the end. Please like and subscribe and share my videos. It really does help out a lot. Thanks, and see you again on the next one.